Even as Utah hit more than 11,000 new COVID cases Thursday and Friday, the legislature decided to do away with the mask mandate in both Salt Lake and Summit counties.
As Fox 13's Chris Arnold tells us, medical professionals and even some local businesses are choosing to err on the side of caution.
The move by the state legislature to terminate the mask mandate hasn't stopped one business I spoke with today from being careful in hopes of protecting their employees and their patrons. Over at the Green Pig Pub, the sign on the door says it all.
We would rather play it safe than have people get sick again. Gotcha. Especially our employees and the people that come in here.
General Manager Tiffany Thatcher says all 45 of her employees and those who step foot in the door must be wearing a mask.
Yes, we've limited our seating just to be having seated people, and they have to have a seat to be in here. So they have to, unless they're actively drinking or eating, they're required to wear their mask. So basically sitting at a table, they don't have to wear it.
This all comes after the state legislature wiped away a mask mandate for Salt Lake and Summit counties as COVID cases continue to surge in Utah and across the United States. A new study by the CDC says that the Omicron variant accounts for 99% of the coronavirus cases in the U.S. right now.
It is literally a crisis, not just for the healthcare workers that are overworked, but for all patients who potentially need to be admitted to a hospital and cared for.
That study also detailing the importance of booster shots, saying getting boosted was 90% effective in preventing hospitalizations over the past 2 months when Omicron was the dominant variant. Which is why Dr. Jay Jacobson, a retired professor specializing in infectious diseases, says it is imperative people get their booster and wear a mask.
That even with what was considered full vaccination or 2 doses, protection against Omicron has not been as good as we would hope. But with a booster dose, it becomes excellent. Anyone who's worried about acquiring or transmitting an aerosol-dependent respiratory virus would be wise to wear a mask.
Thatcher says employees and even customers have been thankful that they've continued to take safety precautions.
I mean, I haven't had anybody complain about it. The customers are grateful. Obviously, we're full, so it's not hurting us.
I did ask Thatcher how long they would continue to require masks inside her business, and she says they're going to see how things look over the next couple of weeks to see if any changes should be made. Reporting in Salt Lake City, Chris Arnold, Fox 13 News, Utah.